should I not be wearing my glasses? I just can't see, you know? But you can see the reflection of it and it's so annoying. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie. Thank you for clicking on my video. And today we're going to be doing a declutter video. I'm going to be decluttering my entire wardrobe and I'm going to try to be more minimalist. I'm trying to achieve a more minimalist lifestyle when it comes to at least my clothes, just because I'm trying to be more organized and clean. We're going to be doing the Marie Kondo method because she's a professional. She knows what she's doing. So I'm going to take her advice. So I really want to get rid of the majority of my clothes, mostly because I want to start all over with my wardrobe. I want to buy more quality pieces and really try to cut down on the fast fashion, because I know it's a huge problem currently. So if you do not know what the problem with fast fashion is, I would recommend you do some research on YouTube here. There's a lot of great videos about it, and I just want to do my part and cut some of that out. So I want to get rid of the majority of my stuff and then slowly replace them with more quality items. So let's get started. So we're going to be starting with the closet, and my goal here is I want to be able to cut down all of this. This is only half of the side. This side's more full. I just want to use one side. I want the other side to be empty. That is the goal. So now I'm going to be going through everything and deciding what I'm keeping. Like, I love this dress. This is one of my favorite dresses that I had bought this summer. So this goes back in. This is something I'll be getting rid of. I'm not really like into it all that much. So this is gonna go into one of my piles. And this is probably gonna go into the sell pile. I decided to do a try-on pile because I'm not sure that some of these fit me anymore, or if like I'm into them anymore, you know. This is like a shorter dress, not sure how I feel about it. So I'm doing a try-on pile so I can decide whether or not to get rid of it. So that's it. This side is completely organized. This is everything that I'm keeping. These are all the hangers that are now empty. I got rid of a lot of stuff. Now I'm going to be moving on to the bottom, which is my shoe collection. It's not big at all. So down here, I have my shoes completely disorganized. I just need to clear some of this because I don't even wear them. Okay, we have bags I never wear these anymore, and I actually didn't really like them. I think I've worn them like twice. So I think these are gonna go in the sell pile. That's pretty much it for my shoes right here. I did get rid of a few shoes and now I have room for new ones. But this is it for like these shoes. I actually have some more sneakers, but I keep those separately. So let's go back to those. Under my bed is actually where I keep my sneakers on this roll out thing. They're a mess, but I'm actually going to be keeping all of them because I don't feel like I have a lot, and I actually do wear every single pair. So I'm just going to organize this and keep them all organized, and we can push these back. Boom. So far, this is my sell pile. And we're just gonna move on. My dresser. I'm gonna be starting from the top. This is just like my socks, my underwear, and some bikini tops. what I won't be keeping. These are shorts. These go in the try-on pile. Not gonna lie, I only got rid of one top in here. I did end up organizing it, but I'm just like upset. Like I got rid of one friggin' top. Like I just feel like I kind of need these right now. We're moving on to the next one. And there's a lot in here. Created like piles. This is like a lounge set. So this is, I'm keeping that. That's brand new. And these are my long sleeve tops for the gym. These are my sweaters for the gym, which I probably won't be using once summer comes around. I have my cropped tees, my long tees. It's just, it's too much. I couldn't get rid of much. But it's a start, right? Underneath my bed, I have this, which is where I keep most of like my sweaters and sweatpants. So I have to go through all of this. So this is everything I'm gonna be trying on to see if I'm going to be keeping or selling. I have a bunch of skirts, some dresses, some shorts, and a romper. So I'm just gonna be trying these on and seeing if I'll be keeping them or not, and then deciding on what pile to throw it in. So this is my pile. This is my sell pile. Everything's like in really great condition to sell. And this is my not throw away pile, but donate pile. It's not very large. I usually sell everything. I'll show you guys in my next video how I go about selling these and making extra cash. You'll love me for it. Did want to get rid of some of these. Like the backpacks gotta go. I don't use it ever. I don't know why I have this. So I'm gonna take those down and get rid of those. Now I'm gonna be keeping this gym bag. This strap is for the backpack, so that's gotta go with that. I feel like this should be hung in the closet. I'll keep the hat for hiking, and then I'll just keep this mini backpack because I feel like it's essential to have at least one. And now this is pretty clear. Damn, I got rid of a lot. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done for today. I don't have a lot of stuff already because I tend to declutter pretty often. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell your extra stuff if you have the time, or if you care to make the time, really, because we all have time. We just choose how we want to spend it, you know? So I'll be showing you guys how I make extra cash. With this extra cash, I buy so much more clothes. I recently bought a trip with my cash from my apps. So I'll be showing you guys, so stay tuned for next week's video. It's so funny because they said that I was going to do the Marie Kondo method, and the only thing that I did that she does is take everything out and then go through it. But it's all good. We got cleaned. We got rid of a lot of stuff, and I'm very happy. I feel relieved. Thank you so much for tuning in into this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. I love to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell button, and I will see you next week. Bye.